Welcome guys, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you or showing you how you can be able to connect your Memefi wallet to OKX in the Sui blockchain network. So it's like the most important thing that is ongoing at the moment now for Memefi token, as well as tell you the recent updates which has just started. Then, like I promised, a complete walkthrough on what you expected to do for this new blockchain, as well as how to connect your OKX wallet inside it. So jump right with me. It's going to be swift and we are going to complete it. So firstly, the information regarding Memfi is that they have now partnered with OKX. They have now partnered with OKX in order to be able to dish out their airdrop, which is almost forthcoming. Not only that, they have also been able to integrate their network from the Ton blockchain to the Sui blockchain now. So it's no longer on Ton, it's now going to be on Sui. Then, unfortunately, they have also listed out a lot of criteria which has had fans as well as you and I worried. So we are going to tackle them one after the other. But the most important thing, which is how to claim, you must have to connect your wallet as well as bind it to your OKX UID, which is going to show you a complete walkthrough on how you are going to connect your OKX wallet in your Memfi in the Sui blockchain. So jump right with me. Open your Memfi. This is actually what you are going to see if when you open it for any first time. So telling you about the most updates. So for now that it's OKX officially has left Nigeria. So anyone who is using it should start with firstly getting a VPN. I recommend, which is Windscribe. Okay, Windscribe. And my preferred country of location is France. France is the country that I recommend. So make sure your Windscribe is turned on, or your VPN, anyone that you use, is turned on. Then select your location. But for me, I use France. So after you have turned on your VPN, so when you open your OKX, the next thing that you need to do is to go through wallets, which is on top at the moment. As you can see it, the wallet is on top. So this is where you need to go. And from here is it, which is where you need to go. From here, you have to import the wallet from your Memfi into your OKX. Basically, it's just like the same way you connect your Keeper wallets to your Telegram app during the time that you are doing the airdrops. So basically, what you need to do is to click on here. That's where my name is, the wallets here, and it will tell me to give you several options. What I need to do is to import, basically. So importation is what you need to do at the moment here. So basically you import the wallets by adding their C phrases. So I click on it, then it will tell me to bring those private C phrases. It's the C phrase from your Memfi address. This is the wallet address that you should, or the key phrase that you should add. It's from this linear network airdrop. So when you created your Memfi linear wallet, is the C phrase that you wrote down, those 12 key phrases. That is basically what you are going to be putting in your OKX. Simple as that, nothing more, nothing less. So let's jump right back to OKX. Here is it. So what I'll do is my seed phrases, or the 12 keys that I have, which is basically here on top. So this is it. I click on it. Then it will write these things. I'll click on it. So this is the things that you need to do. I'm going to pause the video now so that I can be able to impute my key phrases. Okay, so if it's like, let's say polar or police, you can be able to put it, let's say this one, it will just read like that. Then you can do it entirely for all the key phrases. Then I've added my key phrase as well as maybe the password that I have. Then I've pressed continue. So it's now creating the wallet or importing the wallet for me on my OKX. So as you can see, successfully I've been able to check or add my Memefi wallet into it. So if you go up here, you see the both wallets now. So as you come to your connect OKX wallet on your Memefi in Telegram and click on it, then it will change now to check the task. So you press click on check the task to tell you to connect your wallet So basically, you just press the connect wallet, which is down here below, down here below. Then I'll press it. It will connect to my, and it was connected successfully. Connected. You obviously see Memfi below here where it has manage. So you can see it below right here. Memfi here as well as the manage button. So even if you click it, you know that it has actually connected on your Memfi. Then you can go to Telegram, press connect as well as check the task. So that's how you can be able to do it. Connect your Memfi to OKX UID blockchain. Thank you so much. My name is Odis Profits. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notification bell, and join Telegram channel. Link in description. Once again, I wish you well. Thanks.